If building a website makes you want to throw your laptop out the window, you are probably still paying monthly for tools you don't even use. AiProfitSites claims to build websites in 60 seconds. No coding, no hosting bills, no crying into your morning coffee. Let me check if AiProfitSites is the real deal or another tool that promises Mars while delivering a cardboard rocket. Hey, Kamal here from TestedApps.com. I have been earning online for over 6 years. I have tested so many software tools that my hard drive deserves an award for bravery. My goal today is simple: show you what works, call out what does not, and help you decide if AiProfitSites deserves a spot in your business. If you decide this tool is for you, I have packed exclusive bonuses below: templates, SEO boosters, and client-getting resources. They are designed to help you start earning from day one. More about that later. What is AiProfitSites? AiProfitSites is a new AI website and e-commerce builder software. It is made for people who want websites that look professional but don't want to learn coding, pay a designer, or take a course longer than a Netflix series. The main promise: create unlimited websites for businesses in any niche. Host them on blazing fast servers, and with commercial rights included, you can sell them to clients for big paychecks. Build sites, sell sites, keep the profits. Sounds fun already. The workflow is almost too simple. Step 1. Log into the dashboard. Easier than trying to remember your cousin's Wi-Fi password. Step 2. Pick a ready-made template or let the AI build your site. Drag, drop, done. You do not need Elon Musk-level engineering skills. Step 3. Publish and collect payments from clients who think you have superpowers. 3 steps, no headaches, no 15-tab tutorials, just results. Let us talk about the real reasons this tool matters. Benefit 1. Hosting included for life. That alone saves hundreds per year. And if you're hosting 10 or 20 sites, that's enough savings to buy yourself a mini holiday. Benefit 2. SEO-friendly structure. Websites often look great but rank like they're hiding in the basement. AiProfitSites lets you set meta titles, descriptions, and keywords so Google can actually notice you exist. Benefit 3. Drag and drop customizer. Instead of digging through complicated menus, you can make the site look how you want in seconds, even if your design skills are somewhere between stick figure and potato. Benefit 4. Commercial license included, meaning you can build for clients. Local restaurants, gyms, real estate, coaches, anyone who needs an online presence. They pay, you smile. Front-end pricing, just $17 one time. To put that in perspective, Wix, $27 per month for basic hosting. That's $324 per year. ClickFunnels, $127 per month, over $1,500 per year. AiProfitSites, $17 one time. You own it forever. No renewal fee, no surprise invoice attacking your bank account. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Attention marketing experts and business owners. Do you find yourself trapped in the daunting world of website creation, grappling with challenges that seem insurmountable? Perhaps you're burdened by the high costs associated with hiring professional designers, frustrated by the complexities of coding and technical jargon, or disheartened by the sluggish performance of your current website builders. The traditional approach to website creation often comes with a hefty price tag. Hiring professional designers or subscribing to expensive website builders can drain your financial resources, making the dream of establishing a robust online presence seem out of reach. Creating a website from scratch or waiting for intricate designs from freelancers can be a time-consuming and frustrating endeavor. Time is of the essence in the digital world, and delays can cost you opportunities and potential revenue. Navigating the complexities of coding and technical expertise can be a significant barrier for many aspiring website creators. If your current website builder fails to deliver the speed and reliability your audience demands, it's time for a change. Introducing AiProfitSites. AiProfitSites. Unleash your online empire. In 2025, in the ever-evolving landscape of online presence, AiProfitSites emerges as a game changer, offering a 2025-ready AI site builder app that transforms the way websites are created. This revolutionary tool empowers entrepreneurs and businesses to build stunning, AI-powered websites, membership sites, landing pages, and professional funnels in an astonishing 60 seconds. The key to AiProfitSites lies in its simplicity and speed. No coding, no technical expertise, and no SEO hassles are required. The app provides instant access to over 100 high-converting page templates, spanning various trending niches. This enables users to effortlessly launch unlimited, traffic-pulling sites that not only captivate audiences, but also dominate Google's first page through SEO optimization. A notable feature of AiProfitSites is its provision of 100% blazing fast and reliable web hosting for created websites. This ensures seamless performance and a positive user experience. Critical factors for online success. The tool's user-friendly interface and drag-and-drop editor make it a beginner-friendly solution, requiring zero prior skills. The commercial opportunities with AiProfitSites are immense. Users can offer top-notch AI website creation services and charge lucrative amounts, ranging from $345 to $1,000 per website. This opens doors for entrepreneurs to establish profitable website agencies and provide valuable services to clients without the need for third-party expensive apps. The financial implications of AiProfitSites are compelling. The app eliminates the need for costly monthly subscriptions to website creators, saving users thousands of dollars. Its one-time payment model comes with no hidden fees, providing a transparent and cost-effective solution for users seeking to enhance their online presence. AiProfitSites caters to a diverse range of users, from creative entrepreneurs, creating fully functional websites, from scratch to affiliates, earning easy commissions, and local businesses, scaling their online presence. The possibilities are vast. The tool's versatility extends to the creation of membership sites, funnels, and high-converting squeeze pages, allowing users to engage their audience effectively. To showcase the tool's capabilities, AiProfitSites provides training videos and a 24/7 dedicated support system. The inclusion of a commercial license empowers users to offer website creation services to others, paving the way for a profitable venture. In a digital landscape where a website is synonymous with success, AiProfitSites emerges as a lifeline for individuals and businesses seeking an efficient, cost-effective, and innovative solution for website creation. Don't miss the chance to ride the wave of the website creation industry's booming demand. Seize the opportunity, join the AI revolution, and witness your websites transform into digital masterpieces with AiProfitSites. Today is your chance to secure your access and step into a future of unparalleled online success. Click the buy button below to get started instantly.
There are some optional upgrades. Here's the quick version. OTO 1. AiProfitSites SEO at $47. Gives you advanced ranking features. Great if you want free traffic from Google instead of begging for clicks. OTO2, AiProfitSites Unlimited at $37. Removes all limits, unlimited sites, unlimited pages. Highly recommended if you want to operate like a real agency. OTO3, DFY Marketing Suite at $97. Ready-to-go client assets. Great if you want clients faster. OTO4, AiProfitSites Drive at $67. Extra storage and asset management. OTO5, White Label at $247. Sell the software as your own brand. This is a business in a box for serious players. OTO6, Conversions at $97. Tools like pop-ups and urgency timers to increase sales and leads. My recommended setup, front end plus unlimited plus DFY. Best value for scaling. I tested AiProfitSites like I test every tool. I throw random niches at it. Weight loss, local bakery, affiliate products. In every case, the site was built in under a minute. It looked professional, it loaded fast, and most importantly, I did not need a large coffee to recover from frustration. Would I deliver it to a paying client? Yes, and charge a solid fee for it. This is not a magic ATM. You still need traffic, you still need to talk to clients if you want agency income. And if you love spending hours coding, this will put you out of business. Also, if you never take action, no software can help you. Success requires clicking buttons, preferably the right ones. Imagine waking up to messages from clients who want a website. Imagine charging $300 or even $1,000 per project. Imagine not worrying about monthly bills for hosting or funnel builders. Imagine building websites faster than your competitors can spell website. That is the freedom AiProfitSites unlocks. And the launch price is temporary. If you wait, it becomes another expensive monthly subscription. Questions? Drop them in the comments. Hit like if this helped. Subscribe for more real reviews that protect your wallet. The link to AiProfitSites and my exclusive bonuses is below. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com signing off. Build smart, earn smart. Catch you in the next one.